Shade, shelter, style. 5 gazebos to turn your backyard into an outdoor room. First, SOLUMIA 10 by 12 galvanized double roof, $400. A 10 by 12 galvanized gazebo with a double roof for extra airflow and durability. Built to stand up to the elements while keeping you cool underneath. Ideal for backyard dining and parties. The double roof improves ventilation and the galvanization reduces rust. If you want a sturdy, breathable shelter for summer gatherings, this one's a top pick. Second, EROMMY Galvanized Aluminum Permanent Pavilion, $500. A permanent aluminum pavilion that combines strength with low maintenance, designed for long-term backyard installations and year-round use. The galvanized finish and aluminum frame resist corrosion, giving you a lasting outdoor structure. Choose this when you want a near-permanent outdoor room that needs little upkeep. Third, Aoxun Aluminum Permanent Pavilion Polycarbonate, $450. An aluminum pavilion topped with polycarbonate panels that block UV while letting light through. A great balance of brightness and protection. The polycarbonate roof keeps rain out and sunlight diffused, making it comfortable for daytime lounging. If sun protection and a polished look are must-haves, this model delivers both. Fourth, Crown Shades Canopy Patented Awnings, $350. A canopy system with patented awning technology that's designed for quick coverage and flexible shade control. It's ideal for patios or poolside areas where you want adaptable shelter and fast setup. If your outdoor space needs adjustable shade for different times of day, this canopy is a smart, functional option. Fifth, YOLENY Aluminum Galvanized Curtains included, $420. An aluminum, galvanized gazebo that comes with curtains for privacy and extra weather defense. Great for turning a yard corner into a cozy retreat. The curtains let you block wind or sun and add a decorative touch, while the galvanized frame keeps it low maintenance. Pick